Listen, I am nothing without my coffee, and my coffee is nothing without me. Today I am hitting weekly reset button, giving my room a deep clean, right? Organizing my stuff and makeup for tomorrow's photo shoots. I was supposed to clean out my closet. It's not gonna happen because it's just not. My nail is popped off yesterday, so my sister, aka my nail tech, is coming back to the house to fix my nail. I am going to wash, deep condition my hair, do a wash and go. I'm also gonna give myself a microdermabrasion facial from the best esthetician I know. She's amazing. She has helped transform my skin. So I'm about to go ahead and give her a shout out. Love you. It's me. Ah! It's me. Let's do it.
He didn't do anything to me.
He's so pathetic. If you stand, what's the thinking? If you're one of those people, that person didn't do anything to me, even though they did a lot of bullshit to other people, so I'm still cool with them, you're the problem.
Yes.
You're the problem.
So that's what
like a cone head. So now I'm gonna part it into sections. This part up. The worst part about having curly hair is that I am so tender-headed. Let me tell you guys, anytime I go to get my hair done, braided especially, I always let them know, if you gotta charge me extra, go ahead, because I'm very tender-headed. Anytime she comes towards my hair, I'm gonna put it all through the whole section. Really get it in there. Go ahead and take these, rake it through the hair. I'm using my Denman brush, and this is for thick hair, and I am starting from the ends and just combing it out and slowly going up. A little bit of gel, not a lot, and my camera's about to die. Some foam. So I watch this YouTuber, I Am Shelly. She is an amazing, beautiful YouTuber. I really like her. I watch her videos, and she posted one where she had like a mini rant of like, you know how she discovered, first of all, these curls look so good. You know how she had to wake up and realize that when it comes to content and posting, how basically like posting content, you know, and it related to me. I'm actually gonna show you the video that I watched so you guys can watch it too. But like, I was super nervous to do a vlog, and you know, this is my first vlog ever, and I was like, oh, no one's gonna be interested because one, nobody knows who I am. People gonna be like, why? Like, what's the point? Why we want to watch you? And it's true, why do you want to watch me? You know, so I decided to take a risk and upload my first ever vlog. I was nervous at first because I was like, you know what, I don't find myself aesthetically pleasing like the typical YouTuber. You know, I'm starting a self-love journey with my body. Let's start there. I stopped posting full body pics. For a minute, I would just post my face and makeup. I didn't like the way I look. I felt like I had to be that TikTok BBL. If I don't look like that, why post? Why are people gonna be, I'm wearing my pink top still, by the way. Why are people gonna look at me? Why are people gonna watch me? Yeah, like, I'm excited, okay? I'm excited and I'm ready. You know, I'm taking you guys with me this week. Tomorrow, I am doing a photo shoot, plus I am filming some tutorials so you can see behind the scenes. And this is actually my first content shoot. It's my first, like, legit where I'm going outside of my house. I am going in a parking garage. I do need to go for a touch-up, though, for my highlights. They are growing out, but my birthday's in September. My hair grows very fast. This is the growth from December. Here to here. It's gonna grow out. So I'm gonna do it in August, like a few weeks before my birthday. Like, people have you thinking like getting older is such a bad thing, or you need to be like a billionaire by the time you're 22. But baby, people gonna be like, dang girl, you ain't a millionaire. We don't give a fuck about what you doing. We don't care. Because you don't care. Just look at that difference. Product. No product.
From this car, or is she hiding? No, nobody knew. As investigators, when it kind of started with wanting to like separate me and my brother, started asking us questions and assuming.
I said I was gonna do the microdermabrasion. Oh my gosh, what is with that word that I cannot pronounce it? My microdermabrasion facial. Going in with the second cleanser. This is my glycolic cleanser. My skin has come such a long way, and I'm super proud because I suffered from adult acne. Like, if you guys see my previous video where I talk about my skincare routine, my AM and PM skincare routine and how I maintain my skin, you saw the before pictures. It was such a struggle, and it took chemical peels, it took microdermabrasion, it took dermaplaning to get my skin to where it is. Products alone can't handle that. And my biggest pet peeve is like if an influencer or a celebrity, oh my gosh, I put Dove soap on my skin every day. Like, you know what you do to maintain it, where you get Botox, you get the fillers, you get the microdermabrasion, you get the chemical peels, microneedling. You know, there's so much that they do, but they chalk it up to, I just use this soap and it has forever changed my life. No, it hasn't. Stop lying. It's really important that you understand your skin type, your skincare concerns, and your skincare goals. Using the right products for that skin type is going to help transform your skin even more. I was using that Aztec clay and I have dry skin. That was one of the worst things I could use for my skin. It made my skin red. It dried it out so much. I would wake up with patches all over my skin, and that was not the product that was for me. Really do your research. Also too, I am trained in this, so I did my own chemical peels, did my own dermaplaning, and I did my own microdermabrasion. Every esthetician is different. Some people like to do the actual microdermabrasion first and then apply the enzyme. I like to put the enzyme first. So I'm gonna leave this on for 10 minutes. All right, it's been 10 minutes, so let me go ahead and rinse this off. Look at that glow. Hi, my vitamin C, my ageless hydrating serum, on the eye cream. today I am doing my content photo shoot. Your girl's already dressed, makeup, I have the location. My sister's gonna come with me because I need help. So I'm super grateful for her to come, and I'm super excited to get this content. Your girl is having a bomb ass hair day. Let's do it. This is where we're filming. Best photographer in the world. Right from me first. Look at the commitment.
And this is photographer Jen.
We are moving location. Fuck it. Just finished. It is 81 degrees and it's 10 o'clock in the morning, but we did it. My makeup is running, so the sunglasses are going on. Let's go get some breakfast. How do you live with yourself using your nose just to pay for your breakfast? Who needs to go to Paris when you go to Rosalie's French Bistro Cafe?